Hey everyone, it's Lisa. I just wanted to hop back on here tonight because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. And if you saw my last video of my nail video, my impressed nail video, that was almost a week ago. And I just wanted to show you. So this is a week's worth of life. And I have to be honest with you, I did lose one today. But which is fine. I mean, I was gonna glue one on, but I decided, you know what, tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I really want to have something pretty for tomorrow. My husband and I are going out to eat, nothing fancy, just going out to have someone else cook for the night. So I just wanted to show you, in the last video, I had clean nails and I just put the nails on without having to remove the old set. So I just wanted to show you what was involved in removing the old nails and putting on a new set. And again, these nails lasted me about a week. They look pretty good. I've gotten like at least half a dozen compliments on them as I've been out and about this week. People I was at Macy's yesterday and checking out, and the woman was like, "Oh, I love your nails." And I sometimes I don't want to say, "Oh, I do them myself." I just thank her and take the compliment. She's like, "Oh, where do you get them done?" So I did share with her that I do them myself, and then with the impressed nails. And then another girl came over. She's like, "Oh my God, I can't believe you do those yourself." So, it's kind of nice. But anyway, so I'm going to make this quick. I just want to show you how I take them off. And I will quickly put on the new set so you can see what's going on with that, how they look, I should say. All right, so with that, I am going to move my camera down so that you can see what I'm up to. Okay, so in the last video, I didn't, since I went through choosing all the nails the last time and kind of showing you how I did that, I went ahead and chose all the nails already to make this a little quicker. So, and you can see that I do have this nail got kind of beat up. I don't know why, but it did. I can't remember what I did. I remember I was doing something and I later looked at that nail, but you know what? No one really was the wiser. I mean, this was like this for a while now, and I got the compliments yesterday. So, but anyway, so all I'm going to do here is I'm going to find a spot where I can just slip this little cuticle tool underneath the nail. And I'm just going to kind of wiggle it all the way under and loosen up the nail until it comes off. And then I'm just going to do that. Some of them come off a lot easier. And this doesn't hurt at all. You don't even feel a thing. And they come off nice and easy. There's nothing really to it. It's not wrecking my nails. My nails might look a little messed up, but that's just because of the glue. I'm just going to take that off with my file real gently. Oops. It's about 6 o'clock. I had a hair appointment today, came home, cooked dinner, and so, I could have gone without doing my nails tonight because it's already late. I want to sit down, but I did want to get these done so I could have pretty nails tomorrow. And that's the nice thing about the impressed nails. I didn't have to go from my hair appointment to a nail salon to get my nails done. I never would have done it. So I'm just going to give a little a little bit of filing just to get that glue off of there. That one seems to have a ton of glue on it. But really it's just kind of taking that little layer of glue off. And actually I think it's better when you have a little, you file it a little, because it will make the new nails stick even better. Took all of a few seconds. I do want to clip them because they are a little bit long and you really want them short. So give me 1 second while I clip. Okay, my nails are all prepped and ready to go, but I just wanted to show you my tea bags saying, and this is so spot on to what we do, or what everyone does on YouTube and when we share with each other. And obviously I'm brand new, but this, I just read this and it's like, wow. Let your heart speak to others' hearts. If that isn't a message that doing something that the universe is in approval of. Thank you. All right, so as I showed you in the other video, I'm just going to wipe my nails with this little cleansing cloth here. Oh, I forgot to clip that nail. What the heck? Okay. And here we go. Okay, baby. And there we go. Once again, less than 5 minutes and I'm set to go for Valentine's. I got a brand new manicure. I feel freshened up. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.